If you stay with me to the end of this video, I'll show you 8 websites that will pay you up to $60 an hour, and the best part is, you can do them from the comfort of your own home. But before that, if you're interested in videos about making money online, e-commerce and entrepreneurship, then make sure you smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get updated with every new money making video. Now, let's get back into today's video. Hey guys, it's Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy and welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you 8 websites that you can start earning money from home. So the first site is called Respondent. This site allows users to screen for online or in-person surveys and focus groups. This site is great as it's one of the more higher paying sites out there with payouts of up to $125 for usually less than 30 minutes of work. Most focus groups are done through webcam, so you don't even have to leave your house. Plus, they pay out via PayPal, usually 7 days after the activity is complete. So if you want to check that out, then the link is below in the description box. Next up is UseTheTestingcom. This site pays up to $60 a test and has really good reviews online, and has even been featured positively in mainstream media. The idea behind the site is that you download a piece of software that records your screen while you test out user interfaces for websites, apps and software. It's pretty straightforward and they have lots of help and explainer videos along the way. This one is great for practicing your feedback skills, which will open up a ton of doors going forward. Now we have a site called TestingTimecalm. What this website does is link developers and product creators with testers who test out digital products and provide feedback for the creators. They are offering up to $50 per test, so that's still pretty good. So when you sign up, they will send you emails with available tests to complete. You will then have to complete a list of tasks related to the product they send you. You have to download the software similar to the last website, but with this site you only need to talk clearly through a microphone whilst doing the given tasks. The good thing about this one is that they are open to people worldwide. Next is pleio.com. Now this site is more suited to people who have more of a caring side and want to actually help real sick or ill people. The goal of the site is to help people on medication remember to take their medication. The great thing is that you get to choose how much you work and even how much you get paid by your performance. You can use a computer or even your phone, so it's great for flexibility. This one is only for United States residents, but with these sites, they do expand and change terms quite quickly, so it's worthwhile saving this one and checking back often. Now, appen.com is a site that works with 8 of the world's top technology companies to help them optimize their user experience in regards to their products and user interface. These include social media platforms, search engines and voice recognition software. Once you're accepted, then you will see all the different opportunities that you can apply for or qualify for, and you just apply. As you can see, there are a range of tasks to complete ranging from $15 all the way up to $100. The next site that will allow you to work from home is ModSquad.com. Now what they do is they are professional digital engagement moderators. So what you'll be doing is moderating online communities, groups, forums and things of that nature. They actually have physical offices in the US, Europe and Asia and work with some big companies. The good thing about ModSquad is that they actually allow you to choose the topics you would like to work with, so you could end up enjoying your time working in a subject you're really interested in. This is really good, as if you're a college student, stay-at-home mum, or anyone who has other commitments, then you can work part-time and have the flexibility that you need. The amount you get paid is linked to your experience and performance, so definitely check this one out, and the link is in the description. The next site is vipkid, and it's for those of you who like teaching or have some teaching or tutoring experience. So this is a website that allows you to teach English to kids in China from the comfort of your own home. The age range of the kids is from 4 to 14 years old. They pay from $14 to $22 an hour, so that's pretty good. So how it works is that you will be having one-on-one conversations with these students over your computer and teaching them English. Now you don't have to make the lesson plan or anything like that, because they give you all the resources you need to teach your class. They do have some requirements, so you need to have a bachelor's degree, a computer, a camera, a microphone or headset and good internet connection. Now, 3Play Media is a startup company based in Boston, United States. They mainly specialize in closed captions, audio descriptions, translation, and transcription. They pay between $10 and $30 an hour. So to get started, you'll come over here and click on jobs. Over here, you'll either click on English or Spanish transcript editor depending on your preference and experience. So they list their requirements on this page, which goes through your basic language skills and computer specifications. One of the requirements that stood out to me was that you need to have a typing speed of 75 words per minute. So to practice, you can come over to typingtest.com and sharpen your typing skills. Also, don't worry if you didn't get 75 at first, I got 35 on my first try. Now, one downside of this website is that they only accept people who currently reside in the United States. So for people who are watching this worldwide, this will unfortunately not work for you. But for those who do want to try it out, you just click on this apply button and fill out the application. So those were the 8 websites that pay up to $60 an hour for working from home. Now the best way to use these sites is to build up some capital from these jobs to invest into other business ventures, or just use it for some extra spending money. Thanks for watching the video. All the links will be in the description box below, and if you found any of this helpful, then leave a like, comment and subscribe for more weekly videos.